Hey there, my friends. Dan G. Fox here, and hope you're having a foxtastic day. And I want to thank you for stopping by my channel today. And this is your first time here, welcome aboard. But you know you've been missing out on a lot of good stuff, so you don't want to do that again. Go ahead and click on the subscribe button right now. Click it on now so you won't forget. That way you won't miss out on the stuff I put out. In fact, once you subscribe, click on the bell. That way you get notifications of everything that I put out. And I try to do videos a couple of times a week that have to do with making money online. So I'm sure that's why you're here right now. And so what I wanted to talk about today is presenting your opportunity with confidence. And so whether you are an affiliate marketer or a network marketer, one of the biggest challenges is presenting your product or your opportunity with confidence. Whether you're presenting it in person, whether you're presenting it through a YouTube video like this, or in your ads and your emails, you have to present with confidence. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, I'm going to share actionable techniques to help you present authentically so you can attract the right people to your business without feeling pushy or fake. So let's jump on into it. Let's dive in. So your first step in presenting with confidence, and I want you to take notes, because I'm giving you some good gems here. So, your first step in presenting with confidence is to believe in what you're sharing. You got to believe. If you don't believe in what you're sharing, how can you convince somebody that what you're presenting is the right thing? I mean, ask yourself, do I truly believe in this product or opportunity? If the answer is yes, then remind yourself that you're offering something of value. I mean, confidence comes naturally when you're genuinely excited and believe in the solution you're providing. I see so many people, particularly in network marketing, that are ashamed to even let their friends and family know what they're doing. It's like a stigma over it, right? But if you believe in it, okay, and your confidence level grows, and so when you believe in it, then it's easier to present. Okay. All right. Next, let's focus on authenticity. People don't just buy products, but they buy into you, right? So people don't buy programs, they buy you. So share your personal story. Let them know that you experienced good results from what you're from what you're promoting. I mean, how has this product or opportunity impacted your life? I mean, for example, I'm a Nexus Rewards affiliate. And so when you're presenting, you can say something like, when I started with Nexus Rewards, it has helped me to save in so many ways every month, including gasoline, shopping, my cell phone bill, my insurance, and more. Right? That's a story that will resonate because it's real. And I wasn't just making that up. I'm being true. I mean, I'm telling you truly. And so you don't want to make up anything else when you're presenting. You want to be authentic and say the real results. Another technique that will help you to present with confidence is to focus on the benefits of what you're promoting, not just the features. All right? Too many marketers focus on the features, whereas people are interested in the benefits. So let's say you're promoting a health supplement, and instead of saying this supplement has X milligrams of vitamin C, say something like it helps you boost your immunity so you can stay energized and healthy. See the difference? So when you present the benefits, it shows people how it will benefit them. Now, Let's talk about how you share the opportunity. All right. Avoid the temptation to convince people. Don't try to convince people. You're not going to be able to convince people. Instead, think of it as an invitation. You're not trying to sell. You're offering a chance to solve a problem. I mean, ask open-ended questions like, what would an extra $500 a month mean for your family? Or have you ever thought about earning while saving? I mean, these questions open doors for meaningful conversations. It opens doors for you to understand another question that you may want to ask. All right. So stop selling and invite a conversation so you can understand the needs of the person you're presenting to. Right? And let's talk about a quick checklist to keep in mind when presenting, based really what I've already talked about. Start with your story. Start with your story. Everybody has a story. You have a story. I have a story. Everybody has a story. Start with a story that relates to what you are promoting. Focus on the benefits. And use clear, concise, simple language. Ask questions to learn about their needs. And most importantly, I won't say necessarily most importantly, but important, keep it short and sweet. Respect their time. All right? And finally, practice makes progress. The more you present, the more comfortable and confident you're going to become. Record yourself. If you're doing videos, record yourself. Practice with a friend or even rehearse it in front of a mirror. Remember, confidence is a skill that you can grow it over time. If you're not presenting in person or in a video where you be practicing, look at your emails, look at your ads. Are they being productive? Hey, you can even use ChatGPT to rewrite your emails if you think it's not getting the results you want. All right, you can have ChatGPT evaluate the email. All right, so these things will help you present more in confidence when you start seeing results from the emails you're sending out, or you see results from the ads you're putting in, or you're feeling confident yourself and when you're presenting to someone in person or on a video like this. And I will say, look, I am not the greatest presenter. I mean, if you listen to my videos, there's going to be some uhs in there and some ands in there, and I may get lost in what I'm saying, and that's okay. Just be yourself and be natural. Now, again, practice, but be yourself. And if you make a mistake, don't sweat it. In fact, I think that making mistakes can actually be an advantage, because then the people you're presenting to say, oh, well, she's like me, or he's not some super person, so they can identify that they can do this too, because they're not perfect, because none of us are. All right. So there you have it. Those are my top techniques for presenting your opportunity with confidence. Let me ask you, which tip resonated with you the most? Let me know. Let me know in the comments below. Type it in, and I will respond to your comments. I love comments, good, bad, or different. But I really want to know which one of those tips really resonated with you the most. And, if you're looking for more strategies to grow your business, like I mentioned earlier, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a video. So, my friends, if you're ready to take your presentation to the next level, I have a link in the description to access my free guide called Bulletproof Affiliate Marketing. It's full of additional tips and resources to help you succeed, so that you can really start building your dream business today. Well, thank you for taking the time to listen to my video. Hopefully you got some good tips out of this. Hopefully you see how you can move forward with your business. If you did get some value from this today, I really would appreciate if you click on the like button. That helps me a lot. It really, really does. Click on the like button. Why does it help me? Because it helps with the Google algorithms. They see that, well, what you're putting out, people like. People are getting something from it. So click on the like button. As I mentioned, also comment on what tip you like the most, but also comment good, bad, or indifferent about the video itself. All right. And if you got something out of this, if you got something out of this video, feel free to share it. Help out your friends, your partners, your teammates. Share it out. All right. So that's it again. We thank you for your time today. We'll see you in the next video, and you have a Foxtastic day.